I want to become a millionaire like my father.
Wait, your father's a millionaire?
No, he wants to become a millionaire too. Yeah, same dream, different generation. And that, my friends, is the realest thing you'll hear all week. Everyone wants to be rich. Nobody wants to feel poor. We're all chasing this millionaire fantasy, but most of us can't even chase a stable Wi-Fi connection. We spend hours watching rich people online, checking how much their yachts cost. 80 million? 100 million? What does that change in your life? Your car still won't start, and your couch still came from Facebook Marketplace. Let's be honest, we're not playing with millions, we're playing with 4 figures, maybe 5. If you hit 6, you're already a neighborhood hero. Meanwhile, we're fighting our credit cards, our bank accounts are in survival mode, and we celebrate payday like it's Christmas. We message 50 people on Marketplace to buy a $20 chair. We wait for Black Friday to buy a laptop, then spend 6 months watching Morning Routine of Millionaires on that same laptop we couldn't afford.
And then we ask why we feel miserable? Because we're chasing a dream that's not even ours. We don't want wealth. We want the image of wealth. We buy cars with payments that crush us, travel every year with money we don't have, and buy coffee every morning just to look productive. You know why there are no ads for Rolls-Royce on TV? Because the people who can afford one don't have time to watch TV. They're too busy making money while we're still watching how they made it. So yeah, everyone wants to be a millionaire. We just don't want to live like the people who became one. We want the yacht, not the years of work. So next time you say, I want to be a millionaire like my father, remember this. Your father's probably still waiting for motivation videos to kick in. And if you keep waiting too, well, you'll be right there with him. Here's what you actually do. Stop scrolling. Stop comparing yourself to people with yachts you'll never own. Stop waiting for motivation to magically appear on your couch. Do something real. Learn, work, save, invest. Build skills people will pay for. Spend money on your future, not just on pretending you're rich today. Because here's the punchline. The people with yachts, private jets, and money you can't even imagine, they're too busy actually making money to spend hours watching TikToks, hunting for Black Friday deals, or debating how much Jeff Bezos's yacht costs. So maybe one day, you'll be too. Or you'll just keep dreaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.